Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to share a YouTube video in Snapchat. So let's get started. Open up YouTube. Then we have two ways how we can share any of video. For example, find any video which you want to share and tap on three dots here, as you can see, and then tap on share button. And second way, when you open any of video, this one, and then find share button, then tap on share button. After that, find on this share action, share to Snapchat story, then tap on Snapchat story, open. Alright, next step, we should take a photo, for example, and here you will see your photo with this YouTube share link. Using two fingers you can resize and change position of the screen, this you can see link. Also you can customize this your story, add a text for example. When you finish, tap on send to, select for example your story, and then to send to story. And now as you can see, send this photo with link. If someone tap on your story, they will see this link, and if someone tap on this link, will open up this YouTube video. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.